Okay, welcome. Let's get right into the stock market technical analysis. I've got a lot to point out this morning. We're really at some key levels. So stay tuned. Drop me a thumbs up, guys, if you guys are finding value in the content. And then also, if you're interested in learning this as a skill set and not just watching my YouTube videos, take my stock market technical analysis course. Link in the description below. Okay? All right, we're going to start off with tech. We are coming into a gap fill area on the triple Qs. If I go to the hourly chart here on triple Qs, you can see we've got this basic down or this basic uptrend line right here that we've been walking up on the hourly chart over the last couple days. Now we've broken it, we're below it, but not by very much, and the hour's not closed. So again, I could kind of adjust this maybe slightly, but it's about right there. And this hour right here that we're in, we've got about 30 minutes to go, and we have this gap to fill right about 285. Right about 285, pretty much right where we're at. So if the buyers step in right here and they step in impulsively, we might see a rally and they could recover this trend line. So that's just something to take note of. The other possibility is that we just park it right here today around this 285 area, and this should hold as support. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. It doesn't have to, but it should. You can see here it was resistance all through here, and now we are coming down for a test of that from above. So that should act as support. I am expecting the buyers to step in. We'll see what we get. Who knows if we're actually going to get that. Okay, so I see tech, pretty much at or near support right now. So it's objective to, in my opinion, it's objective to go long right about that 285 area. It's close enough. The buyers might step in early. All right. We're only about 0.3% off from that key level of support. So the buyers could step in early. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Oil. So some of these oil stocks have done a back test and they are objective to re-short again. So XOM, you can see here on the daily chart, we've had this uptrend line we've been watching here. So there's support. We hit it again. We hit it again. And we got a sell signal back here. That's our sell signal right there. You can see we back tested, rolled over, and they came in for another back test right there today. So it's objective to short on that back test, and that's exactly what I did. Took the short. So far it's profitable and working out. So I'm looking for this to continue to roll over. And at this point, take out the lows, the most recent lows, and likely head down to the 200-day moving average and this next level of support about 76.20. Okay, so that's what I've got on that one. I like it for a continued short. And then also this one, EOG, same pattern. So you'll see here on the daily chart, we had support, support, support. We got the sell signal right there on June 17th. Okay, and then we came in for a perfect back test today. It's objective to short right there, and that's exactly what I did on that. So again, looking for that to trade at least back down to the 200. Likely going to take that out, but we have support down here at 107.50. So I'd look for this to at least trade down to that 107.50 area. And that from where we're at is a drop of about 7%. Gold just continues to chop sideways, just leveling out, basing out. So, we're likely building an area of support. This is a big, strong base. It's been here. It's not moving up, not moving down. I think we're likely to move up. You can see we have bullish divergence on gold bullion while we continue to kind of drift lower and just grind lower. So I like it for a long. Still looks good. GDX, just kind of hanging in there. Support on GDX is about 28.85, and we're still above support. So no change there in gold. Looks bullish in the medium term. It's just kind of stuck in the mud for right now. Okay, so DraftKings, if triple Qs in the tech sector is going to hold support right about where we're at now, then this looks like a back test. So what I'd like to point out here is on the daily chart, you have this downtrend line. We have this downward price channel. We had a breakout the other day, 2 days ago, right there. Breakout, which was a buy signal. That came with bullish divergence. And as you can see, we are back testing right now. So if tech is going to hold, then this back test here should hold. This should be an objective area to buy and go long for the next move up. All right. So that's kind of what I see there. Looks good to me. We'll see if that plays out. And same with Etsy. Downtrend line to watch. You can see all the tags of resistance right through here. All right, we then started to build bullish divergence. And we had a breakout 2 days ago right there, coming in for a back test. All right, it's objective right here to go long. Doesn't mean it's going to work out, but it's definitely objective. So we set a stop somewhere below, stop out if it doesn't hold. But if the tech sector does hold, then this is a good entry for a long position for the next leg higher. So. Okay, well, that's really all I wanted to point out. Another quick video. I just want to get this out because we're at some key levels of support. So I'm either going to be right or wrong. If those hold, then this is an objective area to go long. And if I'm wrong, we'll stop out for small losses and just take small losses. That's kind of the name of the game. We can't be right 100% of the time. So it's important to mitigate risk, keep our losses small. And that's why it's critical for entries at key levels. Right now, I believe we're at that key level where if we hold, this would be an objective area to go long for the next leg higher. So I'm going to get the video out, guys. Drop me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Check out the course. Link in the description below. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.